Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. You requested catalyst privacy preserving authenticated key exchange over internet, non-abstract. The internal security is the main goal of this project. Key exchange is an any method in cryptography by which cryptographic keys are exchanged between users, allowing use of cryptographic algorithm. Secret sharing refers to methods for distributing a secret amongst a group of participants, each of whom is allocated to a share of secret. From nuclear weapons to governments to class projects, the problem of mistrust in any working relationship requires a secure system to prevent access, power, or information from being compromised by a single member or a small group of members. This project key exchange between sender and receiver with privacy by key manager and admin. Key manager will generate private key for encrypting the secret message, and private key will be stored into a database. Key manager will transfer the generated private key to admin. Admin will forward the private key to the sender. Key manager will split the generated private key using Shamir secret sharing algorithm and will transfer the splitted keys to the admin. Admin will maintain the generated key and splitted key to the sender, and admin will forward the splitted keys to the sender. Sender will get the private key from the admin and also get the private key and encrypt the original message using private key. I will transfer the private key and splitted keys to the receiver, and receiver will get the encrypted file from the sender. For secure transmission, we implement the concept of key exchange, and receiver will get the splitted keys and secret key from the sender. A secret key used to merge the splitted keys. The secret key is invalid, receiver cannot merge and decrypt the ciphertext, and receiver will merge the splitted keys using secret key and get the private key. Finally, receiver will decrypt the ciphertext using merged private key. Of the project, and key manager will generate the key and split the keys, and key manager will share this private key and splitted keys to the admin. Admin will share the private key and chunk keys to the sender, and sender will extract the file and encrypt the file based on secret key, and will share the encrypted file, secret key, and chunk keys to the receiver. And receiver will get the chunk keys, private keys, and encrypted file from the sender, and will get the secret key to merge the chunk keys, and finally will decrypt the ciphertext based on chunk key. Next, execution of project. Let's start execution. Before starting execution, you have to create folders for 4 actors such as admin, key manager, receiver, and sender. This is the home page of the project. Here, key manager will log in by providing username and password, are getting the server name of the system and IP address of the system, and username of the key manager, password of the key manager. The username and password is correct, you can log into the panel, logged in successfully with the login time. And first, key manager will generate the private key. For that, how to generate the private key and saving the private key into the database. We can view the saved key here and generate the time of the private key. And next, key transfer. Here we are transferring the private key to the admin. So how to execute the admin side. And this is the home page of the admin. Admin will log in by providing username and password. Page of the admin. Here, admin will receive the private key from the key manager. For that, we have to select the received path of the admin. So I am selecting the received path as privacy files and admin, and starting the server to receive the file. Now I am loading the private key to the admin file sender. These are the process of sending and receiving. File transferred successfully, and next we are splitting the generated private key. So for that, it is loading the private key which we already generated. I'm already loaded, and we are splitting the generated private key using Shamir secret sharing algorithm. File is key is splitted and written as a text file. And next we are transferring the splitted key to the admin. So for that, how to select the receive path to receive the splitted keys. So I'm selecting the admin inside the privacy files and starting the server. Now I'm load the splitted keys inside the splitted key folder key1. For each keys you have to start the server. So I'm arranging this way. Now we can close the key manager button. After receiving the chunk keys, we have to transfer the key to the sender. So for we are executing the sender side. Here we can provide the register name and password. Logged successfully with the date and time. Here we are selecting the receive path for receiving the key from the admin. So I'm selecting the receive path as sender. Now I'm starting the server to receive the file. So from here you can load the private key. File transfer successfully. And next we are sender will encrypt the file to transfer to the receiver for reader file. Generating the key for encrypting the specified file. I am going to text. And next we are receiving the user key from the receiver in the side. For that, we execute the receiver. The receiver side with another users it's already registered. Successfully. Here we are getting the user key, the login user, and writing the user key into a database and as a text file. And now we are getting the user key from the receiver side to the admin. For that we have to select the receive path as sender and start the server to receive the file. And now I am loading the user key to the sender. Status of sending and receiving process. File transfer successfully. And next we are transferring the file to the receiver. For that we have to select the receive path as receiver, starting the server to receive the encrypted file. Now I am loading the encrypted file from the sender side. So file transfer. And next we are receiving the chunk keys from the admin. So for that we have to select the receive path as sender. Starting the server. So load the splitted keys. Key1. Again starting the server for receiving the key2. Key2 transferred. And I am starting the server to key3. So I am loading the key3 to sender. And key3 also transferred. Now we can close the admin side. And now we are transferring the chunk keys to the receiver. For that we have to receive the chunk keys. So I am selecting the receive path for receiving the key1 as receiver folder. And I am starting the server. And from here I am loading the key1. Key1 transfer. Next I am selecting the receive path for receiving the key2. So I am selecting the receive path as receiver and I am starting the server here. I am loading the key2 to transfer to the receiver side. And again I'm selecting the receive path for the receiving the key 3. So I'm starting the server, and from here I'm loading the key 3 also transfer successfully. And next we are sending the secret key to merge the received splitted keys. For that we have to select the receive path for receiving the secret key as receiver, and starting the server and get secret key and save the secret key and load the secret key to the receiver. File transferred, and next we are merging the keys here. For that how to load the splitted keys here. So I'm loading the splitted key, which is already generated, and we are getting the secret key. The secret key is valid, we can merge the keys, otherwise we can't merge. So we can merge the keys here, and next we are decrypting the ciphertext. For that how to read the received encrypted file, and I'm decrypting the